This is the subway, and there should be no surfing or riding outside of trains under any circumstances. Social media is not worth your life. Ride inside, stay alive.
Transfer is available to the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 express train. The next and last stop is Flushing Main Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Transfer is available to the Q44 Select Bus Service.
Transfer is available to the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.